I see no reason why some of our people no sense. Our people no get sense. I'm not working our people no get sense. Anything na working. Somebody no need more every 24 hours. Eh? Una ma efe men na una ma lafu men na ata. Ino na ben na gini eri 24 hours food. Yela lo la salo. Mana mmadu Chineke keleke no ni more for you, for your sake. Epata e be na akọ trash. Epata na comment section e be na akọ trash. See, our people bra our problem. If I know na kabra our problem. Make I clear this air for everybody now. Make everybody they hear am. Oga, I'm not trying to make video. If you want to be seeing waiting, be a friend liberation army na ESN name. Oga, carry your video, carry your phone, come the video ram. I'm not gonna go be. Oh, bug your mate no more every day now fight. You got to go. I'm not going to easy. Be with the phone you can make a video because when men sometimes if men movement, Oga space no day we say everybody come the video. What you the video? Can you the video? Or videos here, you must say na Biafra Liberation Army na fight. Or videos here, you must say na ESN na fight. Can you have the problem our people? I don't understand. Or maybe the Jishi Kosigi. What you never see before? Can you hear for bed? Can you hear for bed? Before you believe, this time around, we not beg anybody. Move away. Don't even come where Nigeria Zoo checkpoint today. Don't go there. Stay away. Stay away. Bagasina Biafra is killing Biafra. Oga, akwe fulumbo. And if men won't move, men no go even call you for phone and say we don't they go. This is the little opportunity everybody have for you to listen. You like you believe, you like no ever na call yate. Then bo Osetia, and we go meet your family. Because I pass go this message now. See what happened in Imo State 3 days ago or 2 days ago. You gotta go. So next time, no message to any fucking whosoever. If you come out, you die. Chineke po unu oku. Unamaro waiting men they suffer. Ana go no kwade ana send you message na ezu ni ozi. Some people never na call you. You gotta go. Some people no there na call you. Amarom mazina ndikale kuche goku no iron hand can dey buy na like. And that iron hand now we go use for una so that una go learn. Simon na wonu since. Hear this announcement. Don't go. Move away. If you are going, check yourself very, very well. You feel or no, open a man on Apple today, get another man back on our phone and say, we don't they come or we don't they go. Or we don't they go, we don't they come out. So Abi? Echoka man with phone on our before you believe that something is happening in Biafra land, right? Oh yeah, be you want that to be happening. Men are not on our phone before you believe. One, nobody is begging you. Nobody is begging you. It's only a wise person who will stay alive and see Biafra. The foolish one will still go. You understand what they tell you? It's only the wise of Biafrans will stay and see this kingdom. But the foolish one will still go. Believe me or not. Now you go use your hand to kill yourself. You see this thing, now you go use your hand like this, kill you. Nobody go kill you, now you go kill yourself. One not get go. Some people now call you. No. You are waiting for men to come and give you, to come and send the video for you before you believe. Location if you want to be seeing what is happening, men will give you location. But that no job. Because I give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes, don't run. 2 minutes, I give you 2 minutes. So that can make a video. Now found na babu mob can make a video the soldier and the zoo soldier na babu mob police mob zoo police na babucha. You make a video that of so that you will believe. Yara. Yotago. So that you will believe. He may you to at least people will know that yes, ESN is working. Biafra Liberation Army is working. All the whole gallant men on ground is working. I can send the video every day. I didn't make video before. And I'll wait for a stage of that video go. If you are not listening to Simon, go and listen to him. Oga, movement. We are not waiting for somebody to come and do video for you. You gotta go. Mado no ni ruwa ina so ya mebere gi video. O na mebere gi video nki bu onye. O na mebere gi video. Amaha otu brain ndi ban se alo de olo. A na mebere gi video ni ji we buru who are you? Before you believe, na mebere gi video. Somebody no ni ruwa ga ni do you know emefa na agwa gi ni ruwa ka mmadu no ebebu life and death be fe no there. Life and death be fe no there. So ya bia mebere gi video as in waiting. All these people in our zoo soldier in our okwa ha bu egbe. Eche no mmiri ka ha bu n'aka. When men go get mine they front them. Drop them for ground. Ana agbakwa men ana front kwa men na agbakwa men. Men ekwechirikwe n'ihu ọrụ. Mgbe ife a ga na-eme ị na-asị mmadụ ka na-emere gị video. Why can't you come out and do that video for us? Pụta na ben na gị bịa mebe the video. Pụta na ben na gị bịa mebe the video. Do video. We need evidence. Which evidence what you need? What you did? Who are you? Which evidence what you need? Who they send you? Am I feminine not pass through? You don't bend every day. Anytime you wake up and sleep and eat, you wake up and sleep and eat. Come again, men, non even every 24 hours. We run the how waiting. Or but I say, can maybe give video. We want to see it. Without that, nothing that happen. Who they beg you? When are you because? Have you carried gun before? Oh, but no, there. Come and carry gun so that you understand. Obuno kaga onalo or gabia kenye egbe. Now this Biafra movement, you see this Biafra struggle. Obu ofonye kido sele egbe ya bia bulu. Bia bulu de egbe. So that you got fan agwa. Bia bulu de egbe. Instead of you will be praying for people not suffer for you to live. If you are saying God, na mere video. I never give video as some word can na do. Video of who? Don't you know that video I watching only thing, especially about people on Biafra land. Only thing again another risk because all these people now they are not human being again. You got to go. Also go the soldier bute when can na Jesus nothing they solve. But you are not safe. Imakwa phone iji enwe ike phone ahụ iji keta na enwe ike anything can happen men emechege anything na ha ga-emewa isu so je enwe ike pụta police ejide gị natara gị phone ahụ after that such video na phone gị wetin you go do? Who you go say na he send them for you? Unu ga no like this no etinye onwe na problem. Unu ga no like this na some of our people na etinye onwe ha na problem. Iyotago I know mbo say I be create because we can't notice something. Telegram, community Telegram group. Post all that in a group. Somebody, but I don't join. Mazen and Kalu said that you should not join any group. This and that. You see, some people, some foolish people, even Telegram self is better than this Facebook, today. Because Telegram now, Telegram now, but nobody know you. Open a picture there, just change your picture. You put everything in the arrow Telegram car. Telegram, nobody will even know who you are. You can post anything on Telegram. I'm out with a video they blog the can post on Facebook. Facebook appear you got account warning. You cannot even post anything again. But Telegram is not like that. You can post anything on like in a Telegram. I know see. Yeah, I know in a Telegram now, getting to 800, 700 and something Biafrans knows in a Telegram. Now for your name. Madu post so you have to be na call yate. He maroki, nothing. No be anybody. Nobody know you for this struggle. And now call yate. This WhatsApp group, are you saving that WhatsApp group? A matter if you in a WhatsApp group, come madam when you like this, this your phone for Katanan, I capture ya phone get for Katanan, age digging also. This is your WhatsApp group. It's a need to save here. Yeah? You are not safe. Give one on a WhatsApp group. And now one diba you some of the any reason can feel any people. When people is trying to secure your life, it's not get your own. Or do you think that Zoo is playing? Yeah? It's a Zoo is playing, right? You feel that Zoo is playing. Why they never leave our leader Mazen and the can for us? A man on a Biafra here from Negbe Kageju about here. Now gone, they go use shoot Biafra like this. Biafra go come. You will see him. So may you know come here now. Come they talk yat. A person go post something. What you know. Okay, if you post something, if you don't like them, go your way. Go your way. Because you see our people, some of our people they provoke men. I know some comments, some of comments in the banner drop like this. I swear. Money in the chair, so come one nigga, you go fit around because that will be our problem. Man, not mad in a jacka. They material buya. Mad ne John, Kutiegi buya. Mad in a jacka, detifegi buya. So keep on saying nothing is happening. Since 1 week now, where they give this Simon Nance, everybody should stay. That one get called basa. No be me die. Now you die. So that one concern you. Then you go the instruction. Then you go the instruction. You are not a man on ground. A man ultimate no say aga. A man ultimate no say eje. A man ultimate like you know nothing. Concern men nothing. Emaro women who move, Emaro Bahabata. Nothing. If men won't move, men will call you for phone and say we won't move. I want just give this. I just want to tell our people something. I try to be alive because since I'm not be alive. So I just want to tell our people something so that you go hear them in case of incasity. I don't come agwa you no ketana. Oh ye dendo. Gafu Biafra anya. Oh ye malefe. Gafu Biafra anya. Okwe nefe na agwagi. A stubborn fly, Omo, you go follow the dead body, enter grave. Oh. Stubborn fly go follow dead body like this, enter grave because they hear word. And I want to buy you, shake up and down. And I say, camera give video. But when men go movement and men, now video men work on they do. Men won't leave work where they suppose. Somebody go day duty, go they tell us, now you go there your papa house, the direct person waiting go do. They play. Just they play. Somebody day duty. You don't know that person. You don't even know nothing concern that person. You go there your papa house, carry your phone. Maybe many of you have no even day Biafra land. Many of you dey Lagos. You go there, they comment nonsense. You go they tell men waiting men they go they do for where then they how they go the movement. I for tell you, say man you carry your phone on the video. Simple as that. So make I no see anybody will say video. Or God go capture your picture. Or you like just if I post something, if you not like them, waka they go your way. Waka they go your way because you notice you see this our people. Some feel I need our people blood. And if you talk anyhow, you collect anyhow. You know about problem some of our people is having. People are fighting seriously. Keep talking. I want Biafrans. I want this life with day 35, but I want more people to join this life. They say this emoji like I want everybody to be tapping on their screen. Send this emoji so that more people will join this life. You know go. They say this emoji like so that more people will join this life. I'm not me name in buy. Mother got no duty now. So you can never give video. I never give video. Nke gini juwe mezia. I can never give video. As in what? You know, I've been a give phone. You know, somebody never give video. Omni chain after the video, China, Omna can after Zubedi. Oga, you come out now. You know see where men they men full everywhere in Biafra land. So any day where you see men mount, follow them. When we say you don't see them, they go movement, follow them. Or if you carry machine, follow them. Did you hear me? Carry machine, follow them, or carry your motor, follow them, so that you go they come the video. Before you go believe, somebody go do duty, go there, papa house, come they tell person say making come the video that the body way don't die, so that you go believe. All this one where you don't they see, not like her, or you know they see her. Oga, now your own. No. Did you hear me? Now you're on your own. I'm not big when I go in one day. You're possible. I'm not mad, but I'm not even not have every. Hi, oh God of mercy, our people don't understand what men they pass through. Una no understand what men they pass through. If rain fall, rain go beat men. For your sake. When I go they thank God, say somebody like Simon, once they immediately kidnap Mazen and the Carlo, that kind of person enter the struggle. If not, by now, una for no know waiting for the happen for Biafra land. Allah. Una for no know waiting for the happen for Biafra land. Una for no know. Maybe by this time, self, feel a need for even don't take over. I they tell you. Because some corner hand don't enter this thing well, I will be see. Hi, oh God. But I thank God. I thank Chuko Kikabiama. I know how it takes up. So, make you know the day there, they talk, say, men do video, men no do video, this and that. If they hear me, check and go, I'm going to be men and no. I'm not a dinner Facebook, man. Now watch it now. What if we be men? It's no consequence have. They are human beings. So have it in mind, though. Many of them say, I'm going to hand you but you don't know who be who. You see, what you talk for Facebook, now you go put you for problem. You go see them like this, they go find your cup. You go to ask yourself, what be the problem? You go, what you talk or what you do? You hear me? You hear what I tell you? Go ask this girl, what be name? This idiot for Enugu. Candiness. Mother Candiness. Go ask her. Now for Facebook, you do that video that day, you do a chair warning or continue on your queer. You gotta go? A chair warning or continue on your queer. I guess sit at home. Or patani kupara. See, Emery a burial. Because of say 1 or 2 days. If not, I can pay a talem more. It's both a talem more cat appear like this. I pay a talem more like this. Must offer. And you go sit at home like this or balagano will it make your door. You gotta go. So for you know, say men they everywhere. You hear me? Men they everywhere. Now movement too. Now street movement. So men no even think I'm saying men no they everywhere. Or every market men they anywhere where men enter, men go enter. But the problem because of our people. Because you get come movement where the men go enter, our people go, many of our people go enter, go join and die. All those things now what you where they supposed to check. You hear me? Okay, you know they control person where carry machine for ground. You know no if you control the person because anything can happen. But now our people, we love our people so much. We love our people so much. They hear me. Now I make an evolution still they like this, so do sit at home. Do sit at home, not come out. We know the reason. Let me say men don't know how they go take come out like this, come they shoot anyhow. Come they kill soldiers. Anyhow, they see them like this, kuru like this, they see them. But you would ask yourself, how many Biafrans will die for that place? The question where you're supposed to ask yourself is that. No be men come out. Oga, if men come out, you no go fit stand. Eh? Men no pota, a man pota. Biafra Liberation Army one talk more of ESN. When the soldier, Nigerian soldier no fit stand just 30 minutes. You go to hear Jesus everywhere. You know, not supposed to ask them why did they shout Jesus. You go to hear Jesus. May we call Oga first. Now what they hear? Go to hear that. May we call Oga. May we call Oga. These people they no be human being. Now what you dey hear be that? Iche no egwuregwu ka na-egwu. Understand me? You go dey hear Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Now wetin dey go dey happen? If they come in million, they go die a million. Believe me. If they come in 1,000, they go die 1,000. No retreat, no surrender. So have it in mind, though. Have it in mind. I beg my people, I go end this live for here. You get small page where Facebook page when I tag for this live. Make una go follow that page for me. Our Telegram group dey for here. We don't already dey getting to 800. We know they post anything blood for this Facebook because we will post them. Now you know go dey hear anything concern us here. Just they join that Telegram. They join that Telegram. That Telegram, the link there for comment section here. The page where you go follow there for here too. We know they ask una money. We never hear say men come out like this, come they beg for money, and we can never ask anybody for money. We know they hungry. Nothing they solve. So now only this little opportunity where we go do us for us with that. This thing now here we will use the send message so that we go hear am. I am on patabiakwabu on phone. Unu biko unu mere anyị ihe dị otu a. Oga, nobody go do that one. No. If you no want to hear what you will talk, no. Now you're on your own, my brothers. On your own. No. So, one love and God bless you all. See you guys maybe tomorrow. Una go dey see woto. Stay away in zoo checkpoint. Stay away in zoo checkpoint in case city. Ha nọrọ ebe a nọrọ ha far. Maka na men no go send message you. Ask wetin happen for Olo. Ask wetin happen for Imo State. So it don't start, the game don't begin. And very soon, Biafra Liberation Army, all the whole gallant men on ground, ESN, you go take over Biafra land. You go see them. You go see them. You know, we'll see any zoo soldier again for Biafra land. Just watch and see what you want can happen. Just watch. You go see them. You go ask yourself, where is zoo soldier? You know, go see anyone. All of them go they run like this. I said, all of them they run like this. Anybody where don't die now. That's all the matter be. So, may you just stay safe. Share you get, make you stay safe. God bless you all and good night from here. One love.